What's up, Queen Divas? I am decorating cupcakes today using only two tips. That's the 1M and the 6B cupcake tips. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Let's go. Okay, so we have the 1M tip, and this is with the white icing. This is what it looks like, the 1M tip. Let me scoot these cupcakes over so I can go ahead and pipe a cupcake. So you're going to squeeze and then rotate around. You're going to build a layer around and around and then pull away. Okay, so this is what your 1M tip looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another cupcake using the 6B cupcake tip. So you're going to squeeze, go around and around. You're building a layer and then pull away. So this is what the 6B looks like. I think I like the 1M. I really do like the 1M better than the 6B, but that's the 6B. So let me try one more time. Okay, so I'm squeezing, let up, squeeze, let up, squeeze, let up. Okay, so now I like this look a little better, and this is using the 6B cupcake tip. Okay, so this looks a little better, you know, when I did the 3 layers. Let me grab another cupcake here, and I am going to do the same thing. Squeeze, let up, squeeze, let up, squeeze, let up. Okay? So I really do like this one. I like the 6B when it's done in layers. Now, I do not like the 6B when you're just building a layer. So let me grab another cupcake here. And I am going to use the 1M cupcake tip, and I am going to build a layer. Squeeze, let up, squeeze, let up, squeeze, let up. Oh, this is beautiful. I like this one. I really do like the 1M. I really like the 1M. So this is the 1M compared to the 6B. The 1M is the white icing and the pink is the 6B. So I really like the 1M because there's so much that you can do with the 1M tip. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is grab another cupcake. Let me get right here in the middle so you can see. And I'm using the 6B. I am just going to rotate one more time just to see. I'm not feeling this 6B. I'm really not feeling this 6B unless I'm building layers on top of layers. But just, you know, going around, rotating, I'm not feeling the 6B. See, this is the 1M. The 1M is the white and the pink is the 6B. I really like the 1M. I really do. So let me try the 1M. I'm going to just go around and compare it with the 6B. See, I'm still liking the 1M tip. I really do like the 1M tip. I think it's just a better look. But to each his own. I really like the 1M tip. Okay, so let's I will decorate these and put some sprinkles on them, and I do have some little bunny cupcake toppers, but I am just really feeling the 1M right now. So I'm going to do this one more time just to double check. Yes, I really like the 1M tip. Hands down. I like the 1M tip. Okay, let me try this 6B tip one more time. I am just going to build one layer just to take another look. Because sometimes you can look at things and it doesn't look right. You have to step away and come back. So, I mean, it's okay. And I like the 6B when you build like 3 layers. But just this one layer, I mean, it's okay. Let me see something. Let me add some. Nah, that's not gonna work either. So, no. I am going to say I really like the 1M tip. It just gives you smoother lines. I don't know. It just comes out smooth. But with the 6B and 3 layers, now this is really cute. I'm starting to like the 3 layer on the 6B better than the 1M. They're both cute. I really do like the 1M and the 6B. This may be a tie as far as the 3 layers, but when it's 1 layer, I like the 1M. So I guess it'll just be up to you which one you prefer and which one you like. Like I said, both of them are cute now when you pipe them in 3 layers. I just like that 1M a little better as far as 1 layer. So I'm going to add some sprinkles that I got from Walmart for 99 cents. And let's see how these cupcakes come out. I also have some little bunny cupcake toppers. So this is actually looking like an ice cream cone to me. I really like it. I like both of them. As far as the 3 layers, I like both. I think they're both cute. Yeah, I think I like both of them. Both of them can look like an ice cream cone. So they're both cute when they're piped in 3 layers. I just don't like the 6B in 1 layer. Here's some of my bunny cupcake toppers I'm just going to add. Okay, I'm done. I am going to add a few more sprinkles to the cupcakes. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And please don't forget to tell your family and friends about my channel. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend.